Welcome to the Homeschool Dev. If you're passionate about education, technology, and standing up for justice, then you're in the right place. On this channel, we're doing things differently. We're blending homeschooling, web development, and real-world advocacy to create content that educates, empowers, and exposes injustice, especially when it comes to tenant rights and housing issues. What do we cover here? Homeschooling with coding, tech, and web development, fighting for tenant rights and housing justice, breaking down complex systems to help people navigate them. Our journey is about empowerment, whether that's through learning how to code, fighting back against unfair housing practices, or giving people the tools they need to stand up for their rights. Real stories, real impact, like Jerry Smith, a tenant from Albuquerque who took on systemic housing neglect, fought back, and won justice. His battle against the Supportive Housing Coalition of New Mexico exposed misuse of funds, neglected housing conditions, and retaliation against tenants, a fight that could change the system for the better. So if you're ready to learn, fight, and grow, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and join the movement. Let's build skills, break barriers, and bring justice to the people who need it most. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.